You're right there, Mark here from 6 Plus Save. Very short but important video for you all today. I am doing a charity live stream this Sunday. So, it's going to be supporting two charities. It's going to be supporting Canine Crusaders, which is a local charity down this neck of the woods, which we'll pop over in a minute and explain what they're about. And then second one is Macmillan Cancer Support, which is a very important charity for a lot of people out there. So we'll pop over and explain what they're all about as well. So, the charity stream is also been supported by ttcombat, who have given a bunch of stuff to be giveaway prizes for people who want, to donate towards these charities. It's all going to be random, but as I said, it's going to be done on Sunday, and I'll explain it as we go on with this video. So catch you in a second. I'll show the charities and show the giveaway and how this is all going to work. Alright, really simple. This is how the stream's going to work for the donations and the giveaways. So the donations, there's no obligation for the donations. Alright, no obligation. As if you want to donate, you can donate. No minimum, no maximum, whatever you feel about it. You can donate multiple times if you wish. It's completely up to yourself. So all you got to do, go on my homepage, click the donate, done. That's it. Every single penny that's donated is going to be split equally between the two charities. Simple as that. You donate a tenner, £5 is going towards K9, £5 is going towards Macmillan. Done. So this is a call to arm to just support these charities because I think they do deserve a lot of support. I am in talks with some other streamers that I'm talking to of how to do this more effectively down the line. If this is an effective charity stream, I would like to do it again down the line. Maybe twice a year, something like that. You know what I mean? But anyway, the stream itself is going to be Sunday. So I am looking at doing it between 10 and 6. Alright, so it's going to be an 8-hour stream, 10 in the morning till 6 in the evening, Great British time. Simple as that. You pop along whenever you want. Simple as that. So, we're going to go over to the giveaway part. So we're going to go over to the webcam and I'll show you how this bit works. You're right there. So the first charity I will be showing off is Canine Crusaders. Very simple. They help to rescue, rehome, rehabilitate, look after the dogs down my neck of the woods in Cornwall. So the way I wanted to do it was one local charity and one national charity that I feel passionate about. And I have to admit, dogs are my weak spot, to put it politely. And they do a lot of great work. I've dealt with Canine Crusaders in the past, and they're a lovely bunch. They're really passionate about the dogs that they want to look after. They are all independent. They don't get any support from the government. It's all volunteer based what they do. Everything's volunteer. So that's going to be one of the charities that I want to show off in the stream. We're now going to go over to the second charity. Alright, so the second charity here, Macmillan Cancer Support. Very simple. I'm not going to be able to go over it all in this video with the charities, but I want to go over it in the stream. They are there to support people that are directly or indirectly affected by cancer. Simple as that. Alright? If you're affected by cancer, they'll be there to support you. If a loved one's affected by cancer, they'll be there to support that loved one and yourself. And so on and so forth. So it's all, get the treatment, get better, so on and so forth. But it's the stuff that's going on behind the scenes. Bill concerns, health concern, family concern, all those little things, they'll be out there to just support you in general. So I generally think they're a great cause to go by. But those are the two charities. Very simple. But as I said, I'll be going over the stream of how these charities work and why I'm choosing them and so on and so forth. So now we'll cut over to how the stream will work for the donations, and then we'll go over the giveaways. Catch you in a second. Alright, so we've got some giveaways here. ttcombat has been very gracious and given us plenty of giveaways to give away. It's not just one, it's not just two, it's 6. Alright, and I'm going to be throwing in some of my own, which I'm going to be showing off on stream Saturday. Alright, so anyway, let's crack on with Carnevale. They've got one of each of their main ranges, not ranges, and they've got, I can't pronounce that for love nor money, I'm not going to butcher it, but to me, this is a proper assassin look. It looks like an amazing paint project. Think of Assassin's Creed, you're right there. Alright, I absolutely love it. Then you've got rumbleslam. Who doesn't like wrestling? Alright, simple as that. And it's a chameleon with a really epic pose. So, second one. Now, third one. For you D&D players out there, you fantasy players, you got the heroes range, you got the Wraith. And this sculpt is really, really cool. That would be an amazing little painted project. Fourth, we've got their Mummy Undead range. So it is the Mummy heroes. You get 3 heroes in here. You got a Lord, Commander, some form, with a 2-handed axe. You then got, looks like some priest / sorcerer, some magic wielder in the back. And you got a standard bearer. Oh, and you even got a little vulture of some sort, undead vulture. So you get 3 in there. Come on, you can't moan at that. Then we got something from their scenics range. We've got the halfling homesteads. So you got those really quite cute houses. Perfect for any D&D setting, perfect for any fancy roleplay setting. They're just really cool, and they're being an absolute dream to put together. And finally, now a lot of you that have been coming over to the stream and stuff like that, some of you are pretty darn new. This is probably a must-have. It is, as you can tell there, Mega Paint Station. In here, this is a wonderful bit of kit. You got storage for obviously putting a tray for putting all your paints on, and so all your miniatures. Alright? You got your paint pots, you got your palette, you got something to actually store your brushes upright. You've got all sorts of different storage in here, and it's really, really, really good. And this has all been given free of charge. Now, the way it's going to work for the giveaway is each donation you give gives you a ticket into the giveaway. Simple as that. Simple as that. If you want to donate, let's say 3 lots of a tenner. So 3 separate giveaways of 3 separate donations of a tenner. That will give you 3 tickets into the giveaway raffle. And then what I'll do is then I'll link it up. I'm talking to Twitch streamers as we speak, basically, to make sure this is integrated correctly into the stream chat of the stream, to make sure that I can contact the person accordingly and sort it all out, because it's going to be on a random draw. Okay, the way I'm going to work it as well is 1 prize per winner. All right, if you were fortunate to get 3, let's say, regret to say you're only going to get the 1. It's just to share it out and to be nice. But anyway, as I said, I really, really do hope this is going to work, because I really do want this to work. I want this growing community to support these charities that need that support. But anyway, the stream is going to be on Sunday, Great British time, 10 till 6. 10 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon. Simple as that. Pop in, go. There's no pressure. All right? You don't even have to donate. You can just show support. All right? You can just share the stream. There is no pressure whatsoever. Don't feel obligated. All right? But anyway, I'll leave it here. Hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you for following the video all the way through. And I hope to see you on the other side. See you next time.